Okay, hopefully my cheap ass microphone can actually allow you to hear my audio this time. So the goal is to just create everything for free, so we're just gonna jump right into it. So you want to head over to console.google.cloud. Yeah, not the whole URL, just this, the subdomain will be enough. console.cloud.google. That should redirect you to the Google Cloud link something. So you'd also have to wanna create your project and stuff. Once you've created your project, it'll allow you to do everything else. So I'm gonna explain Google Cloud in another video, but for today it's just specifically creating a website on the dark web temporarily. So we're gonna use Google's shell editor, right? Cloud Shell, or what they call it. So just click on that icon, have it running in the background, and with this it has its restrictions, which I don't recommend for actual people, businesses that are trying to host their websites, for free and stuff. But this is just for the dark web, so I'm trying to cut costs and make sure that everything is as effective as possible, for educational purposes, I guess. So okay, so they're creating my account, connecting to my shell account. So you see where it says usage quota. That's when you check the restrictions. It's telling us that it can this Cloud Shell is only active for 50 hours until it resets. So there's an actual time duration in which it resets, right? I think it's 2 weeks. Is it? I'm not even sure. But for my current timeline, it should be. So I want to close that and do the web preview. No, web preview. What am I looking for? To enlarge it. Yeah, open a new editor, a new window. Let it connect. Come on, wasting my time. Okay, then it basically gives me, I'd wanna call it a temporary server for now, because that's what it is, right? And just to confirm whether everything is running, just want to do a quick update of my packages. Permission denied as expected, so that means that whatever system is running in the background is compatible to Linux. So you'd want to sudo update all the packages that should be requested. So once all of that is done, you can just do your sudo pt then upgrade. Hopefully they don't want me to restart it, because I do not want to do that. 133 megabytes additional. Oh my. Okay, yes, updating. Still updating. Okay, once this is done updating, hopefully it does finish in time, we are going to install our web server on this. So it's gonna be a temporary web server. So we're gonna run Nginx and Tor on this. I feel like this is a Docker container now that I think about it, but you know what, on this server I'll just call this server for now, just for that purpose. I actually didn't know what this was. I've just been using it this whole time. So on whatever system this is, right, we're just waiting for it to update. Why is it taking so long? And I have a couple of things set up. So the systems that we're gonna use is Nginx. Nginx is an open source Nginx is an open source what do you call this, web server, right? Did I say that right? Hopefully it is. Yeah. So it has a lot of features and functionalities. Overall, everything concluded is that it will basically, manage our websites, host the websites. So the problem about this is that it doesn't really have the traditional firewall configurations. So I think some ports have been disabled for security reasons. Some have not been enabled at all. So initially with your Google Cloud, right? You have to create a new project and do the billing and stuff, and then they'll allocate you a VPN, which is your virtual private network. Then from your VPN you'll be able to open the firewall ports, and I think that's for a, right? I'm not sure which one is it, AWS or Google Cloud. I'm not sure which one is valid for a year, and once the year is over, they start with the billing. So with this, it's just like a temporary for the week, I guess. So they give you 50 hours in which your server should be running, basically. Right? So within the 50 hours of the week, I know that I am not going to be doing that for that long. I'm just doing this for this tutorial, and it's taking its sweet time. Is you still there? Is he frozen? I'm not gonna wait, am I? How patient am I? Not that patient at all, I guess. Right? Let me pause. Okay, so I don't know if I should just wait for it to continue, because it looks like it just froze. Oh, okay. It's working. Disappointing. So I have to install Nginx. So I want to use one terminal. I want to use a lot. I don't have time for this. I want to fast forward this. This video should not take longer than 10 minutes because of people's attention spans. But I already exceeded 7 minutes explaining everything. So I guess it'll be more than 10 minutes. 10 minutes for today. Once all of this is, I don't know, hopefully installed or something, it's updated, you want to do this command, right? Sudo apt install Nginx. So with this, you will be able to create your Nginx web server. So remember when we talked about this Nginx web server, it's gonna come, it's important basically. It's the system that's gonna be used to manage your website server and stuff. Stuff is crazy, but yeah. So now I just wanna, can I multi-run this? Oh, I can. I actually can. Okay, no, I can't. I can't. I need to wait for this one to finish. So it's 41% done. Why do they do this to me? Why do they give me such a useless? Okay, you know what? Let me just open